Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon reindeer. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here on my paper, I'm just going to make a little circle like this. And then I'm going to leave some space, and then I want to draw another circle right over here. And you want to kind of keep it the same size. Then I'm just going to make two circles inside of here, just like this, and then I'm just going to color in the rest of it. Okay, now that you have your eyes done, you want to make the nose. So I want to keep the nose kind of in between both of these eyes. So I'm just going to make a nice oval shape right here for the nose. And then right around here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve around, and it's going to come right back up to here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little smiley face like this. And then I'm just going to draw a little line down here. It goes from the nose right to the mouth. Now, starting right here at the mouth, we want to make a nice big circle shape that's going to go around the eyes and back over to here. So I'm just going to start right here, and you just want to make a nice circle shape that just kind of comes around and then comes right back down to here. Now, starting right here, you want to make the ears. So I'm going to draw a curved line like this that goes up, and then it's just going to curve down. And then I want to draw the same thing over here. So a little line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to curve back down. Then I'm going to draw the same thing inside each one of these, just so we can have like the little inside part of the ear. Now, right up here, you want to make the little antlers. And I'm just going to make these real simple. So I'm just going to draw a little bump like this on one side, and then a little bump like this on the other side. Now, starting right here, we want to make the body. So I'm going to draw two lines that go down right here. And then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve down and in like this. And then same thing on this side. Then right here at the bottom, you want to draw a little zigzag line on each side. And then you're just going to draw a little line up here, and then a little line up here. Then, starting right here, just to make two little lines that kind of curve out, and then they're just going to connect like this for a little hoof. And then same thing here, two little lines out, and then they just kind of connect. Then, right in between these hooves, I'm just going to draw a little curved line like this. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a little pointy zigzag line for the belly. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve out and then come in. And then same thing on this side, it's going to curve out and then go right down like this. And then right here, I'm just going to draw another little zigzag line on each side. And then I'm just going to make a little line that curves out and then comes in on each side for the little hooves. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw two lines that just kind of curve down. And then I'm just going to connect them with some pointy lines. And then finally, right back here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out. I'm going to put 2 little curved lines like this, and then just connect it back towards the body for a tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon reindeer. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.